Alright guys, we are back with a dark fade tutorial. It's not a commonly requested haircut, so I just figured I'll give you this tutorial just in case somebody just happened to ask for it. So we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start off with the Endless Masters. It's gonna be wide open, and we're gonna create our first guideline. This is gonna be a very easy and simple haircut. It's gonna be a mid dark fade, so you know that guideline's gonna start in the middle. All right, once we get that done, we're gonna go straight to the half guard, and I'll show you how quick this is. Boom. So the half guard is gonna make it easy to blend out because it's pretty much almost as equal to the masters open all the way up without a guard on it. Then we're gonna take the masters again, and we're gonna open it all the way up and get rid of any dark lines that may still remain in the fade. Now we're gonna put the one guard on, and we are going to cut the top of his hair down just a little bit. And we're gonna be careful how we cut the corners of the front of his hair down, because he has a really well, it's not, he doesn't really have a bad hairline. It's just that the corners are usually thinner than the front. But as you can see, we went straight into the shape up, and I also put a design on the side of his head. The shape up, when your trimmers are really sharp, you gotta make sure you are very, very, very light-handed with the trimmers, because you don't want to leave a scar or a scab on your client's hairline. I'm gonna fade out towards the sideburn area. So I created a guideline for that area, so it could look like a dark fade. It's kind of like a dark fade with a taper, but it's a nice transition. I'm gonna continue to shape up towards the back of his head. Now I'm gonna blend out that taper, give it a nice transition with the dark fade. Boom, there you have it. Well, the haircut is not over, but as you can see, the fade is coming in. Gonna line up the mustache. Once again, be very, very light with it. Now coming up, I'm going to hit the line with the razor. You are going to see the drastic difference that a razor makes. I hit my client with a shaver to get it nice and clean and close. And the shaver is great. You don't gotta be extra careful with that either, because it doesn't cut anything lower than a stubble, so you're not gonna mess up the line that you already have. I'm prepping my client for the razor lineup, and with the razor, you're just gonna glide that razor across the skin as you pull the skin for resistance, but you're not gonna apply any pressure at all, because you're gonna give your client a razor burn, especially when you're doing a dry shave. So just glide the razor across the skin with no pressure. It's gonna keep the line really nice and sharp. All right, there you go. That's the results of the dark fade. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe, share, and definitely leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about it, whether you like it or you don't like it. What else you want to see, let me know. And don't forget to follow us at Livs Barbershop on Instagram, and follow my brother right here. It's actually my brother. Follow him at Something Interesting Radio. It's a podcast. Peace.